Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn gems in Merge Gardens. Gems in Merge Gardens are one of the most valuable resources. They allow you to speed up buildings, buy special items, and progress faster in the game. If you want to earn gems efficiently without spending real money, then first of all, launch open your Merge Gardens game and then go to the main homepage, and from here go ahead and tap on the daily task icon, which is located at the bottom right, this one over here. You can go ahead and complete all the daily tasks and you'll receive gems as a reward. Focus on completing tasks like merging specific plants. Go to the merge page, find the plants that you can merge, and once you do that, you'll then receive the rewards. Rewards often include gems, coins, and boosters. Make it a habit to complete daily tasks every day to maximize gem rewards. Another thing you can do is to participate in events. Events usually rotate weekly, so participate in each event to stack gem rewards. Occasionally, check for the game releases promo codes via social media or newsletters, and check for free gift links and codes. Redeem the codes that has been provided in the game to receive gems for free. Earning gems in Merge Garden is all about consistency, smart merges, and taking advantage of daily tasks, rewards, and events. By following these steps, you will be able to earn gems in Merge Gardens. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.